Hi, this is my new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with unboxing. We have a SM S9260 12 gigabytes to 256 gig all in black. Onyx black. Try. Yes. Thank you, Lord, for this. Binibenta lang sa akin to kasi ayaw niya, hindi niya type. Ayan, hindi niya type kasi ano sila sa dito yung renew ng ano niya, renew ng bayad sa internet. So this is, oh, look at this. See? Samsung. O, diba? Ang ganda. That's all for today's video.